Mastering English Idioms. Take it lying down. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and uncover the meanings behind everyday expressions. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, take it lying down. If you've ever wondered what this idiom means and how to use it in your conversations, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, let's break down the phrase, take it lying down. At first glance, it might conjure images of someone resting or lying in bed. However, in the context of English idioms, it carries a much different meaning. To take it lying down means to accept mistreatment, defeat, or an unfavorable situation without fighting back or standing up for oneself. It's about passivity in the face of adversity, rather than a literal posture of lying down. The origin of take it lying down is somewhat murky, but it's believed to be rooted in the idea of not rising to a challenge or confrontation. Historically, the imagery of standing up has been associated with readiness to fight or defend oneself. Conversely, lying down suggests submission or defeat. This idiom captures the essence of surrendering without struggle, embodying a metaphorical rather than a physical stance. To help you understand how to use take it lying down in real-life scenarios, here are a few examples. After the unfair policy was announced at work, the employees decided not to take it lying down and planned to petition for change. When faced with the accusation, she didn't take it lying down and immediately provided evidence to clear her name. He's known for his competitive spirit. He won't take this defeat lying down. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, emphasizing a proactive response to challenges. There are a few expressions that carry a similar meaning to take it lying down. Understanding these can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express resilience and determination more vividly. Some of these include, not going down without a fight, stand up for oneself, fight back. Each of these idioms conveys a refusal to passively accept unfavorable circumstances, highlighting a spirit of resistance and self-defense. And there you have it, folks. Take it lying down is a powerful expression that vividly describes the act of passively accepting a difficult situation without resistance. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage, empowering you to incorporate it into your English conversations with confidence. Remember, learning idioms not only enriches your vocabulary but also brings you closer to becoming fluent in the English language. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.